Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing a new subscription box to this channel, and it is Vine O. So excited to share this box with you guys. Tell you a little bit about it. It's very simple to subscribe. You get to choose your wine. Number one, you can pick white, red, or a mix. Two, you choose your payment. You can pay quarterly or you can pay annually. Of course, you always save whichever method you choose. What you will be receiving in your box are going to be 2 bottles of California wines, 5 to 6 full-size products, and everything is value over $120, guys, every month, and you are only paying $64.99. And for a limited time, if you subscribe now, you are guaranteed to receive a free bottle of wine for basically until you are subscribed to the box, which is awesome. Now let's go ahead and get started because I am so anxious to see what I receive. Oops, no idea what's in here. Okay, so this is, guys, it's such a beautiful day that I decided to do all my unboxing videos today outside. Welcome to spring. Okay, so the first item that I am taking out my box is going to be this booklet, and this is going to be everything that I need actually to tell you guys everything about this box. So it says Sips and Surprises, Oh Happy Day Box. Sip back, relax, and unwind. And yes, I will be doing all that right back here. So everything that's inside the box is already listed here. Total value is $149 and up. And yes, so again, this is my information card. Oh, and it has some sangria recipes for all wine lovers as well. Oh, that is awesome. So let's get started because I am so crazy to see everything that's inside my box. So the first items that I am pulling out are going to be, this is a 3-pack of makeup microfiber washcloths, and they are 13 by 13. So they are a pretty decent size, and I just dropped my booklet. Let me grab that really quick. Okay, and these are, I don't think we have any prices to I don't think I have any prices to share with you guys, but I can tell you a little bit about the cloth. These are going to trap oils. These are going to trap all that oil that builds up during the day. So you use these gently by to remove your makeup and bring your skin back to its natural shine. They feel so nice. Okay, next up we have Clip and Sip silicone umbrella drink markers. So these are 6. Ooh, they are so pretty. I love this because I'm always making like different drinks for the summer while I'm back here just relaxing, unwinding. And I love my pina coladas. I love my cocktails. I love everything that has to do with drinks. I am going to be sipping on this wine that I received from this box. It's going to be an amazing summer for me. And look how adorable these are. We have different colors. I took out the purple one, so love these because these are reusable. I usually buy the ones that are paper, so I love this idea. Didn't even know they existed. So this is something super cool, and it's a pack of 6, guys. And it says, "Oh Island Time, transform any drink into a tropical treat at Infinite Island style with colorful mini umbrellas that fit snugly on the rim of your glass." So pretty, and you can see here how that's what's going to adjust to the glass. So adorable. Okay, next up, ooh, I'm already loving this box. Okay, this is so pretty. I'm already loving these earrings. Love the color, love the tassels. Oh my god, it's so nice out here, guys. So these are from Annie Austin, and they are adorable. So they are fish hook style. So pretty, guys. And I can tell you a little bit about them. Let's see. Actually, guys, I have prices to share with you guys. I did not see that. These retail for $30. The makeup removal cloths were $20, and the umbrella drink markers are $12. Sorry about that. These are so pretty. Look at that. So, oh la la, these cream tassel earrings prove the neutral doesn't have to mean boring. A new jewelry box staple. These tassel earrings from Annie Austin are the lightweight way to shush up any outfit. They're tarnish resistant, hypoallergenic, and nickel free. These earrings will be your new favorite in your jewelry collection. They're 3 inches long, guys. They are so pretty. I'm going on a cruise in a few days, and I think I'm packing these. They're just too adorable. All right, next up, guys, we have a body lotion. Ooh, so this is from the Potted Plant, and this is hemp herbal blossom. If you guys hear like any noise, again, I'm outdoors, and I apologize for that. It's just such a beautiful day out here today that I wanted to do all my unboxing videos out here. So this body lotion, guys, retails for $20. And your skin is going to feel silky smooth. It has herbal blossom body lotion, this pillowy moisturizer, lush with natural hemp seed oil for wonderfully soft and supple skin. Has a clean beauty formulation that eliminates ingredients harmful to us and the environment. Ooh, sounds amazing. So cool. Guys, I am loving this box. Let me know in the comments down below what you are thinking. Okay, next up we have a snack. So this is a rule breaker. It says no nuts, bites, great for school. It's plant-based, deliciously soft baked deep chocolate brownie. Ooh. Okay, these retail for $5. And these are vegan, they gluten free, they're non-GMO and free from the top 11 allergens, including nuts, dairy, eggs, sesame, soy, coconut, and wheat. Amazing. Can't wait to try these. And I still have something else in this box, I think. Okay, yes, I do. So it's going to be this here. Let's check this out. Oh my god, pink is like my favorite color. Yes, Way Rosé. This is so adorable. This is going to be my new wine glass, by the way. This retails for $14. And this is Yay Wine. You will have so much fun at your next girls' night out with your new wine glass from Slant. It's 20 ounces wine glass, come in a variety of light-hearted, funny sayings and are perfect to help celebrate any occasion. I adore this one. It has like the ombre look. It has like the pink on the bottom and then the clear on top. I hope it's not too sunny out here, that you guys can appreciate how beautiful this is. Woo, I'm so excited with this box, guys. I am so loving it. I'm going to put all this stuff to the side now, because now we're gonna get to the good part. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the wines that I received. Okay, I gotta be careful because I don't want to drop anything. Okay, guys, so here are my wines. So these are the you are going to receive 2 bottles of wine on your subscription. So the first one that I have here is called New Crush, and it's a California red wine blend from 2018. Okay, this one it says here, a new crush is exciting, often unexpected. It's time to savor the moment. This filling inspire of our new crush wine, creating an exciting and memorable flavor to be enjoyed and savored with every sip. So this one has, I'll tell you, so it has aromas and flavors of blackberry jam, vanilla, toasted oak, combined with smooth tannins that lead into a well-balanced finish. A perfect pairing with roast pork and grilled vegetables. The other one is Tines, I think. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So this is a California Riesling 2021. This one has citrus, it has stone fruit, it has white flowers, it has peaches, pears. Sounds amazing. And then, of course, I received a 3rd bottle, guys, for free. So I'm gonna show you guys my, or it has like, that's from the packaging. So it says Wicked Bliss, and it's a 2018 California Syrah. Ooh, this one, let's see what this one has. So this one, okay, doesn't say, but it says here, we raise a glass to those who break the unwritten rules of life. May we all be bold enough to play hooky, eat cake for breakfast, and shatter glass ceilings in the pursuit of wicked bliss. Okay, this one has a 13.9 alcohol. This one has 12.9, and this one has 12.9 as well. Guys, it's amazing. Look at all the stuff that I received. I am so loving this box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna leave you guys links down on the description down below so you can subscribe to this amazing wine box. Not only you're gonna receive wine, but you saw everything else that I received in this subscription box. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. I would love to have you here. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye guys.